I had a homework to complete. It was to tell about freezing, melting, evaporation, and condensation. And first, I'm going to tell about freezing. So freezing is a liquid that is tightly packed together, and that's a solid. A solid shape has a definite shape and a definite volume. Like this, the liquid is tightly packed together. I'm going to tell you a quick little story how my brother was born. Once, like when he was like 1 or 0, he was just a cup of water. And then like a few more days he turned into a solid shape like mine. Like he was just water and then he became a solid shape. So that's called freezing. And I live in the freezer like other ice cubes do. So melting is a solid shape that is not tightly packed together and the solid liquid is getting heated. So when a solid shape gets heated, it I don't know how to describe it, but it's not tightly together and it pushes each other into a liquid. A few days ago, my friend named Alice went out of the freezer because she was practically melting. So she went to outside and then just switched the thingy into -100. But when she was trying to do that, like she met a human. Then the human was filming how Alice was dying. She After Alice died, like she was a smoke. The human said to the video that she was turning into heat at 100 degrees. It was clear that Alice was dead, and it was kind of rude. The human was kind of rude that she filmed Alice dying. The human said she was just heating Alice, and that is called melting. I have just learned this from school. Evaporation is the process that a solid is getting hot and turning into gas. Like how Alice, my mom and dad died because of the thingy called this exact same thing happened to my mom and dad. It all started with the hot freezer, and then mom and dad started complaining. Then dad said he would go outside and just say we should keep it to -100. But then mom was like, oh, I'm going to come with you. And then they came out and they saw that exact same human and they got killed. And the school teachers call it evaporation. That's kind of sad. Like Egyptians, Ice Cube thought of afterlife. First, they're born as water, and then they are frozen in the freezer, and they turn into a liquid, and they get heated, and it rains, and became water again, and an ice cube, and then water, heat, and then this restore starts again. So the ice cubes thought there was going to be afterlife. I think I should improve more on just telling the details, but this is the end.